Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Hazy. I'm a working mom of a 22-month-old named Alina. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys our real experience with Montessori Kitchen and recent updates. It's been roughly about 6 months since we first set up Alina's functional kitchen. If you're new to my channel, I have a video about Montessori Kitchen Setup with working sink, which I uploaded about 3 months ago. I'll leave the link in the description box for you to check out. So in the last 3 months, this kitchen is her favorite spot in the house. This is where she washes her hands, brushes her teeth, and puts some lotion on her face like a little self-care station. It's also where she finds her own snacks and beverage. It's where she finds her placemats, plates, and cutlery to set up her table, and it's where she prepares her own breakfast without my help every morning. So she does spend a lot of time here from the moment she wakes up in the morning till she goes to bed. It's a constant work in progress and it'll continue to evolve as Alina gets older, so I've decided to share some of the updates that I made because there are quite a few changes to best serve Alina's needs since the last video. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. This water dispenser used to be here right next to the TV. I had to move it because of power cords and cables behind the TV stand, which never really occurred to me before. Seeing Alina spilling water every now and then, I realized it was actually the craziest idea having water dispenser on a TV stand. So then I instantly removed the water dispenser until we DIY'd a small stand. So now we've got this cute little wooden stand next to her bookshelf where there's no power cords or whatsoever. I placed the IKEA chair pad underneath the shelf to prevent the wood from molding, and we've got glasses here and some washcloths for wiping up spills. We used to have these cereal containers from IKEA, and I've recently switched it to these flip-like containers from Kmart because A, these are not very practical for Weet-Bix, so I had to open the lid for Alina every time, and B, when she tries to pour cereal into a bowl, I think the container is too big and heavy for her to pour it by herself. So I got these flip-like containers instead, so she can now scoop up cereal with a measuring cup instead of pouring. Speaking of breakfast, I'm gonna quickly show you guys what we keep in Alina's mini fridge. We currently have some fruits, yogurt pouch, cow's milk, soy milk in the small pudding jars, cheese, and overnight oats. I make about 6 jars of overnight oats once a week, which is a healthier breakfast option for Alina. She knows it's always in the fridge. And there are also a variety of toppings she can add. I've got some shredded coconut and almond chips in the cupboard. She can add fruits, maple syrup, or a raisin if she likes. And these are her snack containers. We've got some mixed nuts and tofu biscuits today. Over here, she uses this drainer when she washes veggies here. And in this cupboard, I put things that she doesn't use every day. Things like extra plates, bowls, small cups, and whatnot. And down here, these are her placemats that she uses for every meal, and these are her bits. And on the bottom of this cupboard, we've got a ceramic bowl and a cup that she uses for lunch and dinner, and this is a small serving tray. She uses this when she needs to transfer more than one item from her kitchen to the dining table. As you can see, I try to keep this area really simple so it's not so overwhelming for her. And over here, we keep utensils for helping to bake. Everything is kid-sized. We've got kid-sized whisk, spatula, rolling pin, masher, and whatnot. We got lots of cookie cutters because Alina loves baking cookies with me. And down here, we've got crinkle cutters and a small citrus juicer. And I recently added this really cute wooden shelf next to the kitchen because as much as I wanted to keep her kitchen cupboard simple, there was not enough storage in here, so I thought I needed some extra space, and there was this perfect sized affordable shelf that I found at Daiso. So we have some face towels and a couple of bowls for breakfast, more plates and spoons and forks in this area. And up here, I also got this cute wall pocket from Daiso with Alina's apron in it. I think I'm more excited about this apron than Alina is. I've set up this working sink for Alina in the last video 3 months ago so she could wash the dishes here after breakfast. It's nice to see that she doesn't mind doing the dishes, unlike myself, although she sometimes refuses to do it because she'd rather read or play. Take a quick look how Alina washes her own dishes. Once she's done with dishwashing, she brushes her teeth and washes her face in the sink. We keep her toothbrush and toothpaste in here along with the dish sponge. I know some people cannot bear the thought of brushing their teeth and doing the dishes in the same sink, and I personally would never brush my teeth in our kitchen sink, but for now it works for us. And over here we've got containers for floss sticks and cotton pads. She loves to wash her face using these cotton pads because she sees me using them when I remove my makeup at night, so I let her use them when she cleans her face after breakfast, and it actually works really well. So she wipes food off her face with a cotton pad and then chuck it in the bin all by herself. And lastly, we've got a small basket in the kitchen, so once she's done with eating, she collects the placemat and puts them in the basket independently. So this is it. I'm sure there will be more updates in the future as Alina gets older, but for now I think it's pretty close to perfect for Alina. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give a thumbs up. I also make videos about Montessori at home, play ideas for toddlers, and Montessori inspired home makeover. So if this sounds like something you're interested in watching more of, you might want to consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!